Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. This is Hamna bint Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through data resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे गौहर इंग्लिश फॉर द ग्रेड 6 का रिव्यू नंबर 3 और रिव्यू नंबर 3 को अब स्टार्ट करते हैं. प्रैक्टिस द डायलॉग बिटवीन टू फ्रेंड्स अबाउट फीवर. नाउ दो किरदार आपने जो लेने हैं वो अपनी क्लास में से लेने हैं. एक माहिर, दूसरा शाहिद. Assalamu alaikum Shahid, how are you? Walaikum salam. Not so great. What about you? I'm fine. But what happened to you? You were absent for last 2 days. I got fever 2 days ago. I have recovered now, but I still feel weakness. You should take care of your health, eat a healthy diet and drink plenty of water. Did you see a doctor? Yes, Mahir. He gave me some medicines. He suggested me 2 days complete bed rest. I will be better soon. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you with good health. Thank you, inshallah. Take care and see you tomorrow. See you. Bye. Now अब देखते हैं reading question. Now list a few problems caused by overpopulation. Scarcity of food and water, extinction of wildlife, scarcity of fossil fuels, danger to the marine life. How is marine life affected by the garbage that is dumped into the sea? Marine life can become entangled in plastic debris, causing suffocation, starvation and drowning. How can parents influence their children to have good smooth relation with their siblings? Parents can influence their children to have good smooth relation with their siblings by guiding them. What moral lesson has been taught in teaching children their place? Moral lesson that has been taught in teaching children their place is to take care of siblings. Put a tick if the statement is true and a cross if the statement is false. It is expected that world population will increase. जी, this is basically a true. Next हमारे पास क्या है? Vocabulary and grammar. Read the sentences, circle the pronouns and write the kind of pronouns. अब आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं. I would like those please. पहला सब्जेक्टिव है, दूसरा डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव है. ही इंजर्ड हिमसेल्फ. द फर्स्ट वन इज सब्जेक्टिव, सेकेंड वन इज रिफ्लेक्सिव. दे आर हार्ड वर्किंग. सब्जेक्टिव है. आई स्पोक टू द चाइल्ड हु वॉज क्राइंग. नाउ पोजेसिव. हु इज योर फेवरेट प्लेयर. दिस इज सब्जेक्टिव. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है change the narration. She says they have gone home. She says that they have gone home. He said to me I like swimming. He told me that he likes swimming. They will say we are watching TV. They will say that they will be watching TV. You say I am painting a picture. You say that you are painting a picture. I said they are my neighbors. I told that they are my neighbors. The principal says you must wear the school uniform. The principal says that we must wear the school uniform. We say it is raining. We say that it is raining. The teacher said honesty is the best policy. The teacher told that the honesty is the best policy. They said we lived in Pakistan. They told that they lived in Pakistan. Use since or for in the following sentences. They have been waiting for the guest since morning. She has been suffering from the fever since Monday. It has been raining heavily since last night. My mother has been serving in the army for 15 years. I have been learning English for 6 months. She has been waiting since 11:30 for you. We have been learning this lesson for 2 hours. My father has been serving in the education department for 2 years. The masons have building this house since last March. Now fill in the blanks with suitable modal verbs. May I go out, sir? Yes, you may go out. He can swim and drive. We should speak the truth. I shall go there tomorrow. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? You should brush your teeth daily. You should be at least 18 to get identity card. Ali might go to his shop daily. We should respect our elders. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा. एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.